What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We have a GoPro here that we actually cracked the lens. We were filming behind a race car and a rock came up and smashed the lens. So we're gonna show you how to fix it. To do this job, I'm gonna use this little kit. We sell this at 1aauto.com. It's got nice little bits, which make it easy to do the job. Comes with a handle. On the back side, there's some more bits, and a little extension. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you can do it yourself. So we're just gonna take the appropriate size Torx for this. Let's see what size this is. This looks like a T4. And we're gonna take all these screws out. I'm doing this on this towel so I don't lose the screws. Pull that last screw out. Oh, take that off. Be careful with the screws. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is replace that seal. I'll try to grab that old seal. Might be able to take this screwdriver. This Torx driver, slide that out. Take this new seal, I want to install that right there. Doesn't matter which way you go, just make sure it's on there. At this point, this is gonna go on the GoPro this way. There is a little protector right here, just grab that, peel that off, make sure you don't touch that. Get this lined up. That looks good right there. Take the new screws out. Just tighten these down. Once those are all tight, there's a little screen on here. Pull that off. It's as easy as that. You can do it yourself.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.